everyone, my name is Dwi Ramadan Ibrahim. In this video, I will explain the introduction, background, and gap research. The article we selected is entitled Information and Communication Technology in English Language Teaching, Some Opportunities and Challenges. This article was written by Ambika Paudel and published in 2022 in the Journal of Comparative and International Higher Education. In general, this research discusses how information and communication technology or ICT is used in English language teaching in higher education, especially in a developing country context. The study focused on both the positive impacts and difficulties faced by teachers and students when integrating ICT into the teaching and learning process. In this presentation, we will explain the background of the study, the methodology, the findings, and finally connect the result with our own experience in learning ICT in ELT. Today, technology has become an inseparable part of education. In English language teaching, ICT tools such as laptops, smartphones, projectors, the internet, and various digital platforms are increasingly used to support teaching and learning activities. The integration of ICT has changed the traditional way of teaching English. Instead of focusing only on teachers learning how emphasize students' active participation, interaction, and independent learning. Although many studies have proven that ICT can improve motivation and language skills, the integration of ICT in education is not always successful. This is especially true in developing countries, where access to technology and digital literacy are still limited. Most previous research has focused on developed countries, while fewer studies explore ICT integration in developing contexts. Therefore, this study aims to fill this research gap by exploring the opportunities and challenges of ICT integration in English language teaching in higher education.
I am Izzat Tunisa, and in this video I will explain literature review and methodology.
Okay, next is literature review. The literature review in this study emphasizes the important role of ICT in enhancing English language teaching and learning. Previous studies suggest that ICT increases students' motivation and engagement because learning becomes more interactive and meaningful. ICT provides a wide range of digital resources that support the development of English language skills, including listening, speaking, reading, and writing. For example, students can improve listening skill through videos and podcasts, enhance reading skills through online articles, and practice writing through digital platforms. The study is grounded in constructivist theory, which emphasizes that learning occurs when students actively construct knowledge through experience and interaction. From this perspective, ICT supports collaborative learning, problem solving, and critical thinking. In addition, the author connects ICT integration to the TPEC framework, which highlights the relationship between technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge. TPEC emphasizes that teachers need to understand not only how to use technology, but also how to integrate it effectively into teaching practice. This framework shows that successful ICT integration requires a balance between technological skills, pedagogical strategies, and subject matter knowledge. Next is methodology. This research employed a qualitative research designed to explore the experience of teachers and students in using ICT for English language teaching. A qualitative approach was chosen because it allows researchers to gain deeper insight into participants' perspectives and real experience. The participants included 2 English language teachers and 12 undergraduate students from 2 higher education institutions. These institutions were selected because they had already implemented ICT support teaching practice. Data were collected through semi-structured interviews with teachers and focus group discussions with students. These methods allows participants to freely express their options, experience, and challenges related to ICT integration. After the data were collected, the researcher used thematic analysis to analyze the data and identify common themes related to ICT opportunities and challenges in English language teaching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainul Kalbi, and now I will explain about first findings and results, second personal reflection and connection to ICT in English language teaching, and the third conclusions and takeaways.
Okay, next, findings and results. The findings of the study indicate that ICT provides many benefits in English language teaching and learning. Both teachers and students report that ICT make learning materials more accessible, direct, and engaging. ICT allows students to access a book, online articles, videos, and language learning applications which support independent and flexible learning. The study also found that ICT increases interaction and collaboration between teachers and students. Online communication tools make learning more interactive and allow learning to continue beyond the classroom. In addition, ICT increases students' motivation and engagement because lessons become more visually appealing and interactive. Students also develop greater learning autonomy, as they could manage their own learning using digital tools. However, the study also identifies several challenges in ICT integration. These challenges include limited infrastructure, lack of ICT skills, insufficient pedagogical training, and curriculum constraints. These findings suggest that ICT integration requires not only technology but also strong institutional support. Okay, next, personal reflection and connection to ICT in English language teaching. Based on our experiences in the ICT in English language teaching course, we strongly relate to the findings of the study. Throughout the course, we regularly use ICT tools such as Canva, PowerPoint, Google Docs, Google Classroom, and YouTube. At the beginning of the course, adapting to these tools was challenging. Some of us need time to understand how to use digital platforms effectively for academic purposes. However, as we become more familiar with ICT, we notice significant improvements in our learning process. We become more independent, creative, and confident in using technology for learning and presentation. This research strengthens our understanding that effective ICT integration requires continuous practice, guidance, and pedagogical support. Okay, next, conclusion and takeaways. In conclusion, the study demonstrates that ICT plays a crucial role in improving English language teaching and learning. ICT offers many opportunities such as increased access to learning resources, improved interaction, and greater learner autonomy. However, effective ICT integration also requires adequate infrastructure, teacher training, and supportive curriculum design. Without these elements, the potential benefit of ICT cannot be fully achieved. As future English teachers, we should be prepared to integrate ICT not only as a tool, but as essential part of effective teaching practice. I think that's all from our presentation. Thank you for watching. We hope this video provides valuable insight into the role of ICT in English language teaching.